You're not broken, your system is. Stop blaming your team for the chaos. Most of the time, it's not the people, it's the process. Missed deadlines, drop leads, fire after fire every single week. Here's the truth. Your company isn't growing because your systems were never built to scale. I've spent 25 years fixing that exact problem, from certifying manufacturers to ISO 9001-2000 to building out automation for fast-growing service companies. I know how to turn operational chaos into predictable growth. If you're still relying on tribal knowledge, post-its, or we've always done it this way, let's change that. DM me system and I'll share the checklist I use to install structure inside of $1 to $20 million businesses.